Are you worried about 2022 stock market? This January has been crazy with positions going up and down the same week. You know, you have a green day and a red day. Hey, let me show my portfolio and how I'm choosing my positions and I hope for a growth over the years to come. Okay, run the intro. Hi, my name is Hugo. Thanks so much to come back to Crypto and Stocks with Hugo. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about the stocks, how's the market, a little bit of the crypto. So let me cut in my computer and I'll show a little bit of everything, okay? A little disclaimer before I start on this video, I want to tell you I'm not a financial advisor. So before you invest in any stock, make sure you study the stock and follow up with a professional advisor. Do not buy a stock because a YouTube guy like me are telling that it's a good stock. This is a good stock, so my point of view, I cannot guarantee they're gonna have the growth that I'm expecting. So follow up with a financial advisor. Before I start talking about my portfolio and everything else, I want to go over. We already it's almost noon, so let me talk a little bit about the market. So SP 500 is down almost 1%, 0.87%. Down is down a little bit over 1%. Nasdaq's down 0.70%. Russell is down 1.5%, 1.5%. So look the market the way it is right now. It's gonna be a red day. A long-term investor, have the gut, you know, easy. Don't worry too much. Take one day at a time. In the long run, if you believe on the market, if you believe in the positions that you have, if you think they are good companies, it will grow. So let's talk now about some of the crypto. Okay, when we talk about crypto, I like to go to the coin market cap. It's a good website that it tells about all the cryptocurrencies. There's over like basically every single cryptocurrency. So let's see. Bitcoin's up a little bit. It's outperforming Ethereum. Ethereum is my favorite. I think Ethereum in the long run, due to the blockchains and all that, will overcome Bitcoin. I do believe Bitcoins will go up in the future as well, and I think Ethereum is gonna be up in the future. So Bitcoin's up 2.73 in the last 7 days. Ethereum is 2.93 in the last 7 days. And just going a little bit because there's so much fear in the market. If you think about Ethereum, and you right here, oh yeah, it's going red and red and red. But then you go 7 days, it's up. I don't want to sugarcoat, but if you look about a year ago, 1 year ago, the stocks were 1,171, and now it's up to 3,248. It's not stocks; those are cryptocurrency. I'm sorry. So it has a huge growth, and there's a correction. It went up all the way to almost $5,000. So here's the correction, and I think it's gonna go up again. So just be patient. I'm not selling any positions, any cryptocurrency that I have. I was just talking about stock. Now I'm a little confused. So Solana, still a good one. 5% up in the last 7 days. I do have Solana. I do have Cardano. ADA, we call ADA, is up 3% in the last 7 days. If they grow, like everybody look at the Shiba Inu, the Dogecoin, that people become millionaire overnight. And the realistic thing, the realistic way that I look, I already have one that grows year after year. If today's one, in that year it's 5, and then the next year is 10, because I know it's not gonna crash. Let's see, Dogecoin. Man, Dogecoin, it's going the. It is a good coin. Don't get me wrong, but look here on this chart. If I can move. Okay, so it was less than 0.002 dollars, and then from April 2021 to May of 2021, you made a lot of money. Yes, I'm trying to get up there, but I'm not gonna get it. And then it's back again. This is hype. This is Elon Musk put it like a Twitter telling you that he's buying, so everybody bought it. So if it's sold over here, you great. But if you were expect to come to $1, it's not happening anytime soon. It might happen one day, but not right now. So you can stick with this and just wait it to grow. And I think it will grow in the future, but it just need to have a lot of patience. Shiba Inu is back up at 6%. The ones that I like, crypto.com. I buy this in a weekly basis. The metaverse. The metaverse is where I believe the future it is. Here we have my three positions. I do have these three positions. I have some Decentraland Mana, I have Sandbox, and I have X Infinity. They are down, but they the same way as the other coins. You got a little hype after Facebook decided to say that hey, we're gonna become Meta, and everybody started buying. So if you bought the Mana when it wasn't like $1 or $2, oh, you're doing good. You know, it had the hype right here, and now is in a consolidation area. You know, let's go back and wait. Like, if you think about, look at that. That's how it was Mana. That's how I look this crypto. They were like just hovering around 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, and then got the hype and up here. Now it's hovering the $3, and I hope that goes to the $5 in the future. And that's my goal. You know, go to $5. My favorite one, the Sandbox Sand. I think Sand's gonna hit the $10. I hope by the end of 2022, but if not 2023. I think this coin has a huge growth with Snoop Dogg and all the space there, the NFTs, the plots that you can buy, the land that you can buy, and all that, and the games and the exchange. So I think these three, and that's where I usually put my money. I put it in Ethereum, I put it in Mana, I put in Sandbox, and I put in X Infinity, and I have money as well in crypto.com. So those are my five cryptocurrencies that I buy in a weekly base. I don't buy a lot because I'm not rich. I'm like most of you guys, but I buy a little bit to the point that if I lose that, I'll not be devastated. I'll be sad, but not devastated. So remember, cryptocurrency is risk. So if you invest in crypto, don't invest more than what you can lose. But do I believe that's gonna explode one day? Yes. Do I think it's gonna be one of these trades on one of these three coins? I so hope so. And if they explode, I'm building my position. Dollar cost average. Every week I buy a little bit. Okay? This is my opinion about crypto. Let's invest. So I'm gonna go in each stock of my portfolio. But I want to say first, why did I choose the positions that I chose for my portfolio? Number one, I diversify. You know, I have a Pfizer, I have Coca Cola, I have Tesla, I have AbbVie, I have Neo, I have Nvidia. So each one of these stocks, I do believe they are good companies, and I do believe there's growth that will come with years and years ahead of us. So let me go to my computer now, and I can show each one of them and why am I choosing these stocks, okay? Okay, so to whoever is new to this channel and doesn't know what I'm doing, I decided that starting the first week of January, so we are going to the second week of January, I invest $100 a week, and I have a few positions that I chose, and from there I want to grow. Maybe I'm gonna add, like I add some last week, maybe I will not add it, or maybe I'll even sell a position. But so far, I think I'm gonna keep these positions for the whole 52 weeks of the 2022. So the platform that I choose is M1 Finance. M1 Finance is great. You can buy partial shares. What's awesome, you know, I'm just investing $100 a week. I will not have enough to buy a Tesla stock, but I can buy partial shares. So M1 Finance, you put your money. They invest once a day. You cannot just buy a stock like at 10 o'clock in the morning. So my version is the free. So they usually process around 8:30 in the morning. If you pay, and I had a pay position before, they would do about twice a day. It's once in the morning, once around lunchtime. But you cannot just, if you pick like a just day trading, that's definitely not the platform for that. So my portfolio, I call YouTube portfolio. I put a $200, so I'm $7.45 down. This is $5.10. Yesterday was better. Before yesterday was better, but yesterday was a red market, and I do have some stocks here that will fluctuate a lot with the market. So let me go to my portfolio here. My Oh, that was fast, right? Let me go here. So here's it show all the positions I have, which one I need to put a more or less. And here's my positions. Let me move my face out of the way. And here go. First one that I have here is Coca Cola. Why did I choose Coca Cola? There's no question why I choose Coca Cola. Coca Cola is a great company to invest in the long term. It does not profit that much. Of course, in 2020 and 2021 is a different story. Every stock grew more than the normal. But Coca Cola is has grown year over year for the last over 50 years. It pays dividend. So in this Q1, Q2, when the Feds are talking about increase the rates, is a safer stock. You know, they do usually well with some crisis going on. So this is my first one. So I have a value of $30.45. I'm actually up 2% on this stock. What's great? See, you see a bunch of red. That's that's what I'm saying. Is great when you, in my opinion, again, I'm not a financial advisor, is a good stock for crisis whenever the market is really volatile. The second one, and a lot of people are gonna put in the comments there. I hope that a lot of people are gonna put in the comment, Neo, what do you think about buying Neo? You know, I do believe in Neo. I'm gonna show a chart here. What's the expectation of Neo? And to me, it is there's prospect. It's not gonna happen today. It's not gonna happen tomorrow. It's not gonna happen a month down the road. But you will grow. You know, it's supposed to more than double. That's what the analysts are predicting for this stock. So I will dollar cost average buy some Neo. So far I have $30.24 and I'm down 3%. I'm fine with that. I'm still gonna buy. Anytime it's anywhere around $30, I think is cheap. So I'm dollar cost average buying every week a little bit Neo. Apple, there we go again. Why do I have Apple? It's a tech stock. You know, whenever the market is volatile, it's a little crisis. The inflation's up. Stocks like Apple, that's a tech stock, will drop. I know it probably will, and I'm gonna continue buying on the drop. Right now, I had put up probably $30, and I'm down $1.10. Yes, I had $30, and I'm 4.69% down, and I'm okay with that because I'm gonna keep buying in a weekly basis. And if it go down, I'll buy more, I'll buy more, I'll buy more. Because, you know, Apple is a company. Like, I'm using Apple computer. I have Apple iPhone. I have Apple Watch. My daughter has as well. My wife has as well. My friends have as well. My family has. Everybody likes Apple. You know, whenever you have an Apple computer, you're not going to buy another laptop from HP or different brand. I love Apple. So I'm stick with Apple because I believe in the company. Like Warren Buffett say, buy a company not because buy a stock not because it's cheap, but buy a stock because you believe the company will grow year over year. And I'm not buying this stock, this Apple, to sell in 6 months. No, I'll be with Apple until the day I retire. You know, maybe I sell before if they change the fundamentals, but as far as right now, you know, with the CEO team there, I believe that the Apple is gonna be a good stock for my future. My fourth stock is Pfizer. Pfizer is a great pharmaceutical company. It pays dividend. Oh, going back, Apple pays dividends. Small but pays. back to Pfizer. So Pfizer is a great pharmaceutical company. Right now, I'm about 55 cents down. I put it $30. I put $15 each week. Remember, I split $100 between all the stocks, so I don't put a lot in each one. So I dollar cost average each one of this. So I'm about 2.5% down. There's no problem. Pfizer will grow year after year, and plus pay dividends. Pfizer has a lot of products that sell, and I believe in the company. Again, I'm gonna use that word several times. I believe in the company. That's If I believe in the company, and if I believe that the company will like grow year after year, it will be one of the positions on my portfolio. The fifth one is Nvidia. Why am I choosing Nvidia? It's a tech stock. Again, you're gonna suffer. As you can see, it's 11% down. That hurts. Yes, it hurts a lot, but that's fine because Nvidia has their tiptoe on the metaverse. And as I talk about the stocks right before, is the metaverse, I believe, is gonna become a $1 trillion dollars area. It's not like just one. And Nvidia kind of like is the support part of the computer and the chips and stuff like that support the metaverse to keep growing. So soon as this risk market goes away and the oh god and the cryptocurrencies keep growing, I think Nvidia is gonna grow with them like skyrocket. So do I expect a lot of growth? No, but not for this year. But in the next 5-10 years, yes, I believe Nvidia is gonna be a top player. Tesla, my Tesla. How Jeremy say? It's no question. Tesla is amazing. CEO is Elon Musk, genius in my opinion. Some gigafactories being built. Austin, German, inaugurate this year, 2022. Cybertruck coming up, semi trucks coming up, auto driving, self driving cars. All this, like right now, Tesla is $1,000. See, let me pick here so we can see. So right now, Tesla is running $1,022. That's cheap, my opinion. That my prediction for Tesla stock for this year is about in the bear side 1300 and the bullish side 1500. So if I make like 50% on this stock, I'm not gonna complain, right? And then my last stock is AbbVie. I just got this last week. That's why, because the position is smaller. We are up, like it's the same way as Pfizer is a pharmaceutical company. Why I believe in AbbVie? AbbVie got a few drugs there that are really good for migraine, for arthritis, and they're a new company. They came from a different company, and they started in 2013. If I'm not wrong, if I'm wrong, please put in the comments down here. And AbbVie is gonna just keep growing. They got a good marketing on for some drugs. They have a really good drugs out there, and that's a stock that probably are gonna stay with it for 10-20 years. And plus, do you know how much is the dividend for AbbVie? It's over 4% yield. That's a hefty dividend, and that's why I'm choosing these stocks. So this is my portfolio. Right now we are down $7, but I know yesterday we were barely down. Before yesterday we were barely down. I'm not gonna worry too much. There's dividends coming. Uh, net cash flow start with 190, like $200. Take one day at a time. Again, I'm a long-term investor. I'm not a swing investor or a day trader. That is not my style. If it's yours, this video probably is not for you. But if you are a long-term investor, this can be a good positions on my YouTube portfolio. But again, don't buy just because I'm telling you. Buy because you believe it. So if you see any value in this video, please subscribe, smash the like button, put a comment, let me know how I'm doing. And if you have any question about any stocks on my portfolio, you want me to go more in depth, I will. So just put the comment down here and let me know, okay? Thank you so much and have a great day.